Hello, welcome to electronic accounting class again, and this is module 4. Last module we were able to look at Excel as an accounting tool, a basic accounting tool, and we'll move forward to look at QuickBooks Essentials, and this module will actually introduce the essentials of QuickBooks, equipping you as a learner with foundational knowledge and practical skill to navigate the software effectively. And you'll be able to learn to set up key business records, record transactions, and generate accurate reports for informed decision making. And it will actually be on a theoretical basis, not fully practical. Going to be on a theoretical basis. In class, we'll go practical, and it's just to introduce you to the fundamentals, the basic knowledge of QuickBooks. And for the module, we look at and we have an overview of QuickBooks features and interface, look at the customer, vendor, and product setup. We also look at the recording sales, purchases, and payments. And lastly, we look at generating standard financial reports using this accounting software. And by introduction, QuickBooks is a widely used accounting software for small and medium scale enterprise, and it offers a user-friendly interface and powerful features for managing financial data efficiently, and it streamlines bookkeeping, improves accuracy, and provides valuable insights for decision making. And when we look at this, we will see that we'll see some few concepts that are very essential. The first is user-friendly interface, and this tool is actually designed for ease of use, suitable for both beginners and experienced accountants. Also, it's a basis for powerful features. Like, it's very important to know that it is a comprehensive tool for managing all financial activities. And lastly, it's actually efficient, the aspect of efficiency and accuracy, and it automates tasks, reduces error, and ensure real-time data. What are the core features of QuickBooks? And the first is the financial management. And when we talk about financial management, it allows for recording, categorizing, and tracking of all transactions. And also, as per invoicing and payment tracking, it creates professional invoices and manage receivables. For expenses tracking, it's also easily record and categorize expenses for reporting and tax. And also, it serves as a bank reconciliation tool, and it links accounts for automatic transactions, download, and matching. Also, it serves the payroll processing features, recording and analytic aspect of it also, where it generates customizable financial reports for performance monitoring, and also tax management. We're talking about the simplified tax compliance by tracking liability and generating summaries. And lastly, the multi-user access features, talking about the collaborative efforts with team members using role-based security control. And as per the layout, the interface layout, we can see the dashboard or the home page, where snapshot of financial status with charts and summaries are shown. You have the navigation bar, where it's linked to major modules like customers, vendors, and reports. You have the menu and toolbar, which is a drop-down task, and quick access to frequently used action. Also, we have the data entry form, as it pertains to intuitive form for transaction, reducing error, and also, as per the search function, which talks about quickly locate transactions, customers, or reports. Also, the interface shows a report center where we talk about organizing all reports with previews and description. It also have the alert and notification where it talks about reminders for due payment, inventories, and payroll deadlines. And lastly, it talks about the integration and customization where we talk about the link with third party to and personalized templates. If we have to set up a customer in QuickBooks, what are we to do? Proper customer setup ensures smooth transaction recording, accurate reporting, and better business management. And it helps track sales, manage receivables, and maintain client relationship. And for this, we look at the first, which is to navigate to customer center. And as such, you move from the main menu, you go to the customer and also to the customer centers. The next step is to add new customer. And by this, you click new customer and job and select new customer. The next step is to enter customers' information, and these include the likes of name, the billing, shipping, address, contact details, and payment terms. And you also assign job details, which is actually optional. And at this point, you add job name and description for project tracking. And the benefit of this include accurate tracking of invoice and payments, and also easy access to client history and improved cash flow management. Setting up for vendor and product. Maintaining vendor record is essential for managing accounts payable, while proper product or services setup enables accurate tracking of sales, cost, and inventory. So for the vendor, you open the vendor center, go through the vendor, and also move to the vendor center. And the next step is to add a new vendor by clicking on new vendor, and also you impute vendors details as it pertains to name, address, contact, payment terms, and tax ID. And lastly, link vendor to expenses, that is assign default expense accounts to such a vendor. And for this, the benefits is that it streamlines bill entry, clear visibility of outstanding payables, and historical data, spending data. To set up for product and services, you go to the list and click on item list. You select new and choose item type, which is like, for example, inventory, non-inventory services, or other charges. And as such, you fill the item details in terms of name, sales, price, cost, and linked accounts. And after that, you enable inventory tracking if required. That is, you activate quantity on hand and the other points. And the benefit of this is the faster sales or purchase entry. Also, it helps in automatic cost or revenue tracking, and ensures reliable inventory management. In recording sales in QuickBooks, it can be done using sales receipts for immediate payment or invoice for credit sales, ensuring all revenue is documented and categorized. And to create a sales receipt, it's used when customer pay instantly. That is the use of cash, card, bank transfer, and it is used to record revenue and payments in one step, and it is linked directly to the account or cash account. Another is the issuing of an invoice, and for credit sales, it creates an invoice that records the sales and establishes an account receivable balance, and it also captures customer details, item descriptions, the quantity, rates, taxes, and payment terms. And lastly, the automatic update. Sales transaction automatically reduce stock quantities if inventory tracking is enabled. So QuickBooks calculates applicable taxes based on preset rules. In recording purchases and payments, efficient financial management hinge on accurate and timely recording of purchases and payments. And for QuickBook, it simplifies these processes through a structured workflow. For recording purchases, there is expenses entry, which is for immediate payments to vendor, recording payments and expenses simultaneously. And for bills, for purchases made on credit, creates a bill that record the liability under account payable, and as per the purchase order for procurement process, it can be matched to bill to ensure alignment with terms. And as per the recording of payments, in terms of customer payments, record payments against there is need to record payment against outstanding invoices, recording accounts receivable. For vendor payment, the use of pay bills functions to match payments to invoice, reducing account payables. And for multiple payment method, so it supports bank transfer, check credit card, and online solution. This record integrates with other modules, eliminating redundant data entry and ensuring financial statements are automatically updated. And looking at the last aspect of the module, generating standard financial reports on QuickBooks, and it's the tool actually offer a variety of built-in reports that can be customized to finalize performance, meet regulatory requirements, and make informed strategic decisions. And as per the profit and loss statement, it's summarizes revenue, cost, and expenses over a period, showing net profit or loss. Also, we have the balance sheet, which is the statement of financial position, and it presents a snapshot of assets, the liability, and equity at a given point in time. And we also have the cash flow statement, which tracks the movement of cash into and out of the business, highlighting activity. And these three financial reports can be generated. Other useful reports include account receivables, payables, aging, sales reports. So other useful reports include accounting receivables, payable, aging, sales reports, and expenses summary. And reports can be customized by date range, data field, and filters, and exported to Excel or PDF. In conclusion, QuickBook Essentials provides a comprehensive foundation for managing modern business finances with speed, accuracy, and convenience. And by mastering its features, users can streamline bookkeeping, ensure compliance, and gain valuable insights for decision making. And its integration capability, the customization option, and automation to makes it an indispensable tool in modern business accounting. Thank you.